Welcome to Las Vegas, and we are standing in front of the Linq where we'll be staying for the upcoming 4 days. So let's go ahead and explore this property. Let's start off with the Linq Promenade. The Linq Promenade is in between the Linq Hotel and the Flamingo Hotel. This has some very nice restaurants like the Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chips. You have an In-N-Out Burger. You have a Buddy Valestro restaurant. Also, you can find lots of souvenir shops and nice other shops. At the very end of the Linq Promenade, you can find a high roller. Prices for that starting from $25 for a single ride. So above the Linq Promenade, you have a nice zip line. Prices for that starting off from $27. Welcome to our crib. Come on in. This is the deluxe room with 2 queen beds. I made the reservation in the Caesars app and I selected the get the room assigned upon arrival, and this is the room we got. It is actually not too bad. It smells very fresh in here. We got 2 queen beds, not a lot of storage option, like very limited space, some drawers, a safe, and well, you can just close the curtain and then it's like nothing is there. Very small desk area, 1 chair, nice TV, and well, that is pretty much it in our room. The view is not really nice. I think it's like the old pool maybe at the Linq. I am not really sure what it exactly is, but it's not really a good view, but after all, we're not here for the views in Vegas. Next up, the bathroom. I haven't seen this in a while in a Vegas hotel. I think this is absolutely gross, but you could just keep it open and then everything will get wet here. Toilet and 1 sink. Lighting, it's not that bad, but hair dryer, some towels, lotion, hand wash, and a little makeup mirror. Small, but well, I think it will do the job. Now it's time for the most important part of showing you the room. I will take my flip-flops off and we will do the bed test. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty comfy, looks clean. That's nice. Sunny approved. So inside the Linq hotel you have lots of restaurants options, coffees, and they even have a tattoo shop. Parking you can find in the back of the hotel, which is gonna cost you $20 during the week and $25 during the weekends. The gym is open 24 hours. It has some nice cardio machines, and at the very back you have all the free weight options. So the pool is open from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. Do keep in mind that is strictly 21 plus. Do you like frozen Baileys? Because at O'Shea's, in my opinion, you can find the best frozen Baileys in town. All right, we are here on a Friday morning. It is checkout time. Checkout time is at 11 a.m. in the morning. I want to share my overall experience here, and I want to share with you some pros and cons. I'm going to start off with the cons. My number one con here, but that's more a Caesar property overall thing, is that you can only connect with your Wi-Fi on 2 devices. If you want to use a third device, it's going to cost you $14.99 per stay. Another con for us personally, is we are not really party animals when we are in Vegas. This is known as the party hotel of the entire strip. So if you're not a party animal, do not stay here. This is more for a younger audience. Our check-in experience, it was a little weird. We arrived 3 p.m. on a Monday. Check-in starts officially at 3:30 p.m. So we were like 25 minutes, 30 minutes early. The lady told us we can check in, but we have to pay the $25 for an early check-in. I was like, well, it's not really worth to pay the $25 for only 30 minutes. If it was like 3-4 hours, I would happily pay that. So she was like, well, you can sit on the side and wait until check-in opens. And I was like, well, that's fine, I'll wait. Not even 3 minutes later, they opened check-in for everybody and you could just check in for free. Another con for me was the parking. We had a rental car here. We parked at 2:55 p.m. After we checked in, dropped our bags in the room, we decided to bring back our rental car. It was like maybe an hour after. Still, the machine told us to pay $20. We went up to the desk and I was like, well, hey, we're hotel guests here. Do we really have to pay the $20 for an hour parking? And she was like, yes, you have to do that. And she just walked away. So that was not really friendly. Another con is there is no fridge in the room. There's no coffee machine and the air conditioning system, it could be a little bit more updated. Moving on to the pros. Number one, I think it's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Location, location, location. I cannot tell you enough. Location is absolutely amazing here. You are dead center strip. Close to everything. You have the Flamingo on one side. You have the Harris on the other side. Caesars is just across the street. The restaurants options are amazing here. You got the entire Linq Promenade with lots of options. You got lots of bars. We really like the gym as well. It's nice, it's spacious, lots of free weights, cardio equipment, like everything. So, and if you are a party animal, you would love to stay here. So the total for Monday to Friday, 4 nights, we paid $347. The room total was just $107 because we had some complimentary nights, resort fee, and then taxes. Everything adds up $347. So that's not really bad for a 4-night stay, dead center strip. I really hope you like this video. Like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to the Linq. What are your thoughts on this hotel? Thank you again, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Bye!